Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
First of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me if I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? Ooh, say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, you calling me baby. Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, you calling me baby. Better say my name, say my name. No one is around you, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, you calling me baby. Why say my name, say my name. No one is around you, baby, I love you. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, calling me baby.
Rolling, got me started. See what I feel like the vomit. When I ride down, it got me caught.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails. This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
goosebumps every time. I need that high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. Come around, yeah. Please don't mind.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Apply a second layer of gel polish.
Every time, I need that high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that high, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, throw that to the side.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, we are going to be using nail stickers for our simple nail art design.
Get your hands in the air, it's a stick up, shake your tambourine, move it quicker, yeah, I'm shaking down the town, get the picture, I'm moving on the floor, gotta love that, how she keep it going on, gotta love that, to the beat like a pro, know you love that, she can shake it to the floor, gotta love that, get low, then pick up, get your hands in the air, it's a stick up, shake your tambourine, move it quicker, yeah, I'm shaking down the town, get the picture, I'm moving on the floor, gotta love that, how she keep it going on, gotta love that.
Now, we are going to be using rhinestones for our simple nail art design. Now, apply a thin layer of nail rhinestone glue for nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
Catalina.
Yeah, my swag so clean. That bitch just on me. That bitch 104. Yeah, TMZ. Gucci coat, titty. I spin it here. Shawty got it here. Shawty wanna live. Yeah, my swag so clean. That bitch just on me. That bitch 104. Yeah, TMZ. Gucci coat, titty. I spin it here. Shawty got it here. Shawty wanna live. 100,000 flows. Switch up like I for clothes. Switch up like I chain hoes. Got a lot of the hoe. Got a lot of cold. Got a body low. Nigga overdose. She just wanna feel. I be on the X. I be on the pill. Bitch, you wanna fuck. Fuck my ex still. Trapping in the hell. So one in the hell.
At home, saving money, self-care nails, and finished. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client. Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.